Good idea. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. I'm not getting married. Rape her with fucking millions of people and think I want her after that. You people are fucking tripping. That's why all those people are fucking burning alive. Because I screamed it from the bottom of my heart. Burn! 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 I meant every fucking word of it. I did everything right. Did everything that the scripture told me to do. And I'm glad. Sila. What the hell would I want to destroy this world from? With? We're destroying the fucking thing. Or I am. Sila. I'm not sure yet. You know what? Unless I get what I want to destroy it. Oh shit. My life processed me falsely through mental institutions that I didn't need to have. That I didn't need to be processed through and been poisoning me for 15 years. You think I'm fucking happy to begin with? Not to mention I was fucking abducted and had planted a nano chip, an RFID chip behind my right ear. Give me a fucking break, people. You think I'm gonna be fucking thrilled? My heart hasn't burned out, but I'm not happy. My tears are gone. My mercy's gone with them. It takes a lot. It takes a lot to get me angry. That's all they did was work at it. See?